YouTube, what's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Today in this video, got a review on the Laydown G. Alright. Alright, so before we get into the review, I want to tell you guys how I came around to discovering this product. I've been seeing it on Instagram. I follow Top Waivers. Top Waivers post a lot of products, a lot of things. So I've seen a lot of waivers use it. And one of the people that actually made me buy it was the Baldy Babe, alright, on Instagram. I seen her use it, you know what I mean? She was using it, laying her hair down. I was like, you know what? Let me give this product a chance, all right? So what I did was I went on the website and I was like, you know what? I'm about to, you know what I mean, put in my information. I'm about to order it. One thing I had in my mind, I was like, I'm going to use my real name for the simple fact of I don't really, you know what I mean? I just want to buy the product and that's it. You know what I mean? I don't want all the extra stuff. So next thing you know, I get the product in and I open it up, man. This box is feeling real heavy for some reason. I'm like, okay, I only ordered one. Okay, what? How much more can it be? How heavy is this glove? I open the box, and first thing I see is 360 Jeezy. Okay, at the top. I get this long letter. It's not really even that long. It says, thank you for purchasing Laydown G. I highly respect you and appreciate everything you have done and continue to do for the wave community. I'm honored you took interest into our product and hope that you enjoy it. And I was like, golly, I just cannot be a regular person ordering a product because he sent me all of the colors. Okay, all of the colors. And I just want to say, Laydown G, thank you for the package. I appreciate it. But let me get this out of the way real quick so you guys understand, you know, how this all came about. So the reason why I'm doing this review is not because I'm getting paid for it. It's not because any type of sponsorship at all. This has everything to do with, I tried the product and I love the product. So it's like, I promote what I love. So I'm giving you guys this product review. Hope you guys like it. Make sure you try it out. This product right here, I'm telling you, it replaces the plastic bags that you gotta go buy at Walmart, Safeway, any other grocery store to get your bags, okay? This replaces it, all right? It's nice and thick and it's just dope, man. So without further ado, let's get into this review. So I'm gonna open this red one right here. I'll show you on a B-roll of me unboxing them other colors, but first off of the rip, man, the packaging itself, all right? This is nice. The packaging is well put together. It's like well thought out. And I definitely can appreciate somebody that takes their time and, you know, just cares about the packaging. The whole packaging, the unboxing experience is everything. Right here, you got the read before use. This product is plastic. Do not pull the plastic side. Exclusive pulling will cause the plastic to tear. Care instructions. Simply wipe plastic sides with clean cloth or towel. Do not apply heat. Suffocation hazard warning. Keep this product and all content of packaging away from pets or children. This is not a toy. Alright, so first off rip, this product is very light. Alright, you got your cloth back here. The plastic is on this side. Slip your hand into it like this. And basically that's it. This is just gloves, alright, with a plastic side, which I think is a dope kind of concept. I kid you guys not. Like back in the days, I didn't really like doing the plastic bag method. I really wasn't a believer in it, right? Until I actually did it. And I was like, you know what? This actually works. So I could appreciate somebody like taking the time out to really come up with something that you don't have to go and get a plastic bag. You'll use it and then end up throwing it down somewhere and forgetting where it is. This right here, if you see this on the floor, this screams, I'm here, I'm here, pick me up, I'm here, I'm right here, pick me up. This screams that. You see it on the floor and it's just, bam, it's there. You know, you're gonna know where you put it. So that's one thing that I like about these. I'm gonna try it out, test it out, see if it works, which I already know it works because I've been using this purple one right here for a minute now. And you can see you probably couldn't see it, but you can see the grease already on it. I've been using it and it really works. Like I said, I only review products that I believe in. And this right here is slick dope though. It's slick though. So let's get into it. Let me show you guys me using the product. All right, so right now I'm just gonna get a small session in just to kind of lift my hair off the scalp just a little bit with the medium, just so you guys can see how well it will lay my hair down, as if I had a soft brush. All right, so I finished doing my brush session, and I'm just gonna go about 5 minutes with using this Laydown G just to see what it'll do. So let's go. YouTube, this has been the review on the Laydown G. You guys have seen the before, you've seen the after. There is a difference. My hair is way more laid than it was before, okay? So if you guys want to pick this up, the link to the website will be in the description. Again, I am not getting paid to say this. This is just a product that, you know, I like, I stand by. It's like, it works. You know what I mean? So that's it. All right, it's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out of here. Peace.